They have the whole little Hawaiian tiki thing going on. Right? I like these right here. Those are cute. Like those. Look at these. These are cute too. Oh, look. Never seen these before. And they have, oh, those are so cute. Look at that. Uh-oh. Look what I found. Cute. Oh, look what I found. Oh my goodness. I'm in Dollar Tree. Look, look, look. Oh, so cute. Look. So it's a whole party. Look at these. These are so cute. Oh, wow. What else? I like these right here. That's cute. Ooh. I saw these right here. These are different. Look at the blue on those. And little cute little containers. And then they have the smaller baskets. But as I stated before on my channel, you can put these like ice baskets, like put little ice in there, take them to the beach. This is cute. Oh, then they have these two right here. Yeah. Now this is cute. This is so cute. Okay, if you're all patriotic, celebrating. Centerpieces, maybe. Yep. Then they have all of the plates. Yes. Okay. They have green, yellow. And so they're stocked for all the little summer activities. Oh wow, what are these? Huh. This is different. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's fully stocked in this one. This is a totally different Dollar Tree, like maybe 2 cities over. So yeah, look at this. This is different. Nice. Oh, look at this out. Okay. These are different. That's kind of cute. Pictures. Okay, okay. I see something already. You are exactly where you need to be. Oh, happiness blooms from within. Isn't that so true? Oh, that's kind of cute. That reminds me of fall. It looks fall, right? I like this one. Okay. I have that one. This one. Okay, found some more. That's cute. Let it be. That's cute. Oh, these are cute. Are these new too? I don't know. Oh my goodness, these are cute. Are these new too? Oh, wow, look. So cute, right? Oh, so cute. Oh, look at this one. Oh, look at that one. So cute. So cute. I think it's new. I don't know. Is this new too? Or these new? I think they are.